We're getting ready. Today's a big day. Hoping to get all of those parts added onto the truck. Get the other chairs in. Do a little sounding. Maybe in the process of getting the air conditioner, and then I get the rest of the horns in. It's going to be a big project. It's supposed to be 100 degrees today, of course. My day for doing this happens to be the day that it's hottest for the week. But I got a little breeze and the humidity's coming down, so it's much more tolerable than it has been. Air conditioner is going to go in there, attached to that brace in the center there. See right there. Compressor is going to be right here when it gets done. I got to take all this stuff off the top of the engine so I can get the drill in there to drill holes. And I got to drill some holes here, and then I'm going to end up with a bunch of new pieces in the dash. And got a ton of little jobs to do with the big jobs. Maybe I'll get to record all this and put it on YouTube, huh? Well, the air conditioner is in. Let's see here. Mount some wires, harnesses, relays, all that installed. And there's where I added the components on. Over to the evaporator, condenser. Sorry, I always get that turned around. Anyway, gonna make an adjustment today because my low pressure side is too low. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try anyway. New things on the inside. All new grill there. Of course, there's the new control panel with the AC switch on it. And this whole heater box down here gets replaced. Wiring and so forth, and there's also a new ductwork. Probably should replace the hose off of it, but they look pretty good, so there we go. It works pretty good so far. Like I said, just needs a little adjustment.